Hello everyone, I'm Mohammad Khalid and welcome to my YouTube channel Physics and Mathematics Techno-Computer. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can know the number of cores of your PC and the number of logical processors. So for that you need to go to search and then search command prompt and then enter. Once you enter into the command prompt, you need to type WMIC. So once you enter WMIC, you will be entered into the root, and now you have to type here is CPU get number of so once you type number of cores, you just enter. So the PC will show you the number of cores. In my computer I have two number of cores, so it is showing 2. Now if you want to suppose check the number of logical processors, you need to type is again same thing, CPU get number of logical. So once you type CPU get number of logical processors, you just enter. So it will show you the number of logical processors in your PC. So in my PC the number of logical processors are 4. So in this way you can check the number of cores and the number of logical processors of your computer. So thank you for watching.